Number 5. Number 4. Number 3. Number 2.
What kind of device is that?
Meet DVICE, the new World Carry Kit focused on bringing together hygiene, productivity, and sustainability. The only device you'll ever need. Here. You can now avoid touching surfaces with the no-touch hygiene tool.
Drinks on me.
Oh.
Aw, that's cute.
The Aw Straw is your own personal silicone straw, avoiding using single-use plastics. Having control over your straw means having control over your hygiene. Say no to plastic straws. Here. DVICE has wipe-sized microchiefs made from natural bamboo fibers with antibacterial properties. So who needs those tissues anymore? Oh, and they're super soft. Microchiefs are eco-friendly and sustainable. They're multi-use and they're washable. More than 20,000 trees are cut every day and 24 million gallons of water is used to produce a single day consumption of disposable wipes in the US alone. DVICE comes with 6 washable microchiefs. That means together we can help save up to 8 million trees.
Ooh, mints. Can I have one?
Be it mints, medicines, multivitamins, DVICE has storage for your daily dose. Place your phone on device and go hands-free as you take your work calls. Hi.
In case you run out of phone battery while being on those hikes, DVICE comes with a handy microlight too.
We have thoughtfully curated essential everyday use products and crafted it into an all-in-one hygiene kit. DVICE comes in various colors: living coral, activated charcoal, glacier gray, calm white, yogic blue. Now, carry more by carrying less.
Back us today and be a part of our journey.
Number 1.
Hi, I'm Kendall, founder and creative director of ISAMEL. ISAMEL is a new, direct-to-consumer luxury swimwear brand that provides high-quality swimsuits for chic and adventurous women. We are different because we only use the finest recycled and natural fabrics and materials. Our styles are unique and feature one-of-a-kind hand detailing and embellishments you won't find anywhere else. We are also committed to partnering with the most ethical garment manufacturers around the globe. I am so excited to announce our Indiegogo crowdfunding campaign. I am a seasoned fashion design professional and fit expert with specialized expertise in runway embellishment and embroidery techniques. You may have seen my work featured in numerous magazines and on celebrities attending VIP red carpet events such as the Met Gala, Emmys, Tonys, and Oscars. Having an insider's view on the effects of waste and the consequences of mass production on the environment, I'm excited to use my skills and passion to create a luxury swimwear line that reflects the change consumers want to see. I am leveraging my expertise at ISAMEL to bring innovative swimwear with exciting design details, such as custom designed hardware and jewelry additions, real, natural freshwater pearl embroideries, 100% recycled plastic sequins, which are created from plastic waste and eliminate the need for virgin plastic creation. Italian swimwear fabric that's content is mostly created from recycled ghost fishing nets and post-consumer nylon. Styles that are truly flattering and selfie perfect for all body types, making our customers look and feel confident. I'm asking for your support to help make the ISAMEL vision a reality. Your contribution will help fund our first production run of swimwear inventory, photo shoot productions, marketing expenses, eco-friendly recycled packaging supplies, and the launch of our e-commerce website. For more information, please visit our Indiegogo campaign page. Thank you so much for your consideration and support. Please help spread the word about ISAMEL and our current crowdfunding campaign. Be sure to follow ISAMEL on social media for future developments and for special announcements regarding our first launch. Bye.